Good afternoon, girls.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Today we will start with the ninth chapter, that is indemnity and guarantee. So this
Yes, ma'am.
chapter was not completed earlier. We are starting it again. There are two topics, indemnity and guarantee. So first of all, we will be studying with the indemnity part. Indemnity means to make good the loss of others, right? It is a contract in which there are two parties involved. One is indemnity fire and the another one is indemnity holder. Now suppose there are two persons, A and B. A said to B that you do a particular task, whatever loss you will be suffering, I will make good the loss of yours. Okay, in this, the person A is a promiser who will be called indemnity fire, and the person B will be called indemnity holder. Now, A will pay all the losses to B on the completion of the task of B. So, this is a contract of indemnity. A very good example of indemnity is the contract of insurance companies, in which insurance company is the indemnity fire and the clients of the insurance company, they are indemnity holders. Now what happened in the case of insurance contracts? We get the insurance from the insurance companies in case of products, marine insurance, fire insurance, etc. Now what we do is we give them the premium, and the company promises to make good the loss on the happening of any uncertain event. Now, what happened is, whenever a fire occurs, the company will pay to the client on the happening of this contingent event. Now, insurance company is the indemnity fire. It is making the promise to the client, and the client is the indemnity holder. Now, this is the best example. But girls, the contractor in the contract of insurance, life insurance contracts are not the contract of indemnity. Now, why they are not the contract of indemnity? Because in case of the contract of indemnity, only those contracts are covered of which the loss can be covered. But in case of life insurance contract, the loss can of life that cannot be covered. That is why the life insurance contracts are not regarded as the contract of indemnity. In nutshell, indemnity means when you can make good the loss of others. Okay. Now, there are three features of this contract of indemnity. Number one is, these are the contracts in which one party promises to the another. This is the definition as per law. I'm telling you, the loss of the other will be covered by the promiser, and this loss may be due to the conduct of the party himself who is making the promise to the other party, or this loss may occur due to any third person. Like in case of the accidental insurance, the accident is, when the accident is occurred, when it is happened, the insurance company covers the loss of the party. So party is getting insurance cover due to the act done by the third person, that is accident. Now what are the features of the contract of indemnity? Number one, in this, all the essential features of a valid contract must be fulfilled. Girls, under section 10 of contract act, we have discussed that there are almost 10 features of the essentials of a valid contract. I think you all will be remembering. So all those features must be present when we have a contract of indemnity. Secondly, contract of indemnity is a contract of contingency. Like whenever, like fire insurance contracts, goods insurance contracts, they are done on the happening of some contingent events. Means when the event will occur, this uncertain event will occur, the loss cover will be paid by the indemnifier. If the loss is not there, the loss will not be covered by the company. So that is why they are regarded as a contingent contracts. And thirdly, these contracts can be expressed or implied in nature. Expressed means they can be done in the written or the oral form, and implied means they are clear from the conduct of the parties. And the last one is the loss may be due to the conduct of the promisor himself or any other person. Like I have given you the example of the accidental insurance. Now, girls, next topic which we will be covering is the rights of both the parties. So I told you there are two parties. So first of all, what are the rights of the indemnity holder? It means like a person has done the promise, has made the promise to another person. The other person will be uh, whatever he will be spending for the task done by the done for the person A. Like I have given you the example of A and B. A is indemnity holder, fire, sorry, and B is indemnity holder. Now, uh, all sums, all damages, all costs which B will be incurring to do the task for A, that all will be paid by A to the B, right? So this is a right of the indemnity holder. Like the best example which I have given you of that of insurance company, whatever will be the loss occurred due to the accident or the fire occurred to the insurance holder, that will be paid by the insurance company, right? Now on the other side, indemnity fire, he will be having also some rights. These rights are not specifically mentioned in the contract act, but even though they are implied from the conduct of the parties, like if you have taken an insurance policy, then it is confirmed that the insurance company, they will get the insurance premium from you, and you have to make the regular payment of the insurance premium to the insurance company. And if you don't pay the insurance premium, the insurance company, they will not cover your loss. Okay. And moreover, it is the right of the insurance company that the indemnity holder, the client, they should not disclose, they should not uh, like anything which is to be open. They must disclose each and every factor regarding the products, regarding the accidents or the diseases for which you are getting insurance. Everything must be disclosed to the insurance company. Otherwise, the insurance company will not give the claim to the client. Okay. So in nutshell, I will say that in contract of indemnity, they are the contract of covering the loss in case of the contingency, and this loss may be occurring maybe due to the conduct of the party themselves or by any third person. So I hope the topic is clear. If you are having any doubts, we can have the doubts again.